What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great week so far. It's Friday, so that's always a good sign. Friday feels like every other day to me, but for some people, Friday is the start of the weekend. So it's the start of the weekend for us too, but we work on the weekends usually. So anyways, what I want to talk to you guys today about is the first wrecked demon. My phone's going crazy right now. Probably because this behind me, which I may explain it in another video, but this thing's pretty cool. This graphic, I'll put a picture up now. This graphic actually lights up when you turn the flash on your camera, because it's reflective. It's pretty cool. Anyways, what I want to talk to you guys today about is the first wrecked demon. So no one knows whose it is. As you may have seen, you may not know, but the rappers 21 Savage and Young Nudie, they both bought demons actually. They previously had Hellcats. I don't know if they still have the Hellcats or not, but they both bought demons. One of them got a black one, and kind of the rumor going around was that the black one was crashed, which is Young Nudie's. But I've been reading a lot of Facebook things and looking at his Instagram story, and I don't think it's actually his that's crashed. So it's kind of a conspiracy on whose demon it is that actually crashed. It looks to me like it's going to be totaled. It's got a pretty good amount of front end damage. Now, the demon does have a high purchase price, so it has to be, you have to total out, I think it's more than 75% of the car's value for it to be totaled. So it may not be totaled, but it kind of looks like it may have some frame damage, but I guess we'll see. But there's kind of a conspiracy going on this Facebook page that we're a part of. It's the Hellcat and Demon Owners group on Facebook, because no one knows who it is. And yet there's such a small amount of owners right now. You got to remember, there's only 3,300 demons made, and only 3,000 of them are in the U.S., and not all of them have been delivered. So there's a really small number, and everyone's trying to figure out whose it is. So if you posted the picture, or if you've seen the picture, or if you've seen on social media somewhere and you know whose it is, comment below, because everyone's trying to figure out who it is, because everyone wants to know who already wrecked their demon, which really sucks. And you talk about what could be the resale value if it does go to a junkyard, if it gets parted out. If it goes to a junkyard, I guarantee they're still going to ask $70,000 to $80,000 for it, because if you remember, the first person that totaled their Hellcat, I think it's still sold at the junkyard for like I think it was like $55,000. It was insane. When you're talking a sticker of only about $70,000 to $72,000, depending on spec. So if you're talking a demon, about $89,000 MSRP before the markup from the dealerships, you're talking they're probably going to sell that thing probably, I'd say $70,000 to $80,000 for a wrecked demon. Now, if they did a part out, I'd be the first one on the transmission, because I need a transmission for my Hellcat. I'd be getting the blower, I'd be getting the seats, I'd be getting a few things off of it. But I just thought you guys would be interested to see, because not everyone that follows me on YouTube has Facebook or has Instagram, so sometimes you guys don't see the things that happen on other social media accounts, which is kind of weird to me. But I have noticed lately that there's a lot more people that watch YouTube that don't actually have a Facebook or Instagram. I'm kind of sick of Facebook. Side note here, I'm kind of sick of Facebook. I want to delete it soon. I do like Instagram, because I like to look at pictures, and it's easy to see the different things that people have done with Hellcats, or any car really. You can see a lot of cool builds on there, and I'm really into photography and videography, if you guys haven't noticed. So I really like to see other people's stuff. But anyways, the first wrecked demon has happened. No one knows which number it is. No one knows the VIN number yet. So it'll be interesting to see if it's a low number, if it's a high number. Either way, there's only 3,000 in the U.S. It's not, it's a pretty rare car to crash. So, and the tough thing about being a demon owner is, the only way to protect it is to put it in a garage that's sealed, and it's heated, cooled, it's temperature controlled, all that stuff. But then you're buying a car and not enjoying it. And there's a huge thing about the demons. We know a few people that are storing them, and we know a few people that are going to drive them, and we know a few people that are going to actually fix them up. So there's a good mix in the demon crowd. Kevin, he's going to drive his. If you don't know, he has a yellow one. My brother, he's going to drive his. He's not going to mod it at all, which I think is pretty cool. I would keep it stock. He has a modded Charger that makes a shit ton of horsepower. So there's really no point in modding the demon, I think. And then there's guys like Mush, who he's already on E85. He's on big Hoosiers in the back. He's got a 265 pulley going on it, injectors, rails, all that stuff, which is cool because it'll be cool to see what the Demons can actually do when you start modding them and what platform, you know, because you're already starting with a good platform. So it'd be cool to see how far you can actually push them. And I've heard that the guy that tuned my Hellcat, Tim Barth, he's working on 2 Demons right now that are getting the same package that my Hellcat got, which is the 265 upper, the Innovators West, or the ATI lower, fully 85, 1300s. I don't know if the Demon fuel pump will keep up, but they'll probably go boosted pump or dual pump, intake, exhaust, cat delete, all that stuff. Pretty much all bolt-ons. And you know, with the Demon, with the different blower and everything, doing the same mods, you know, mine makes around 18 pounds of boost, 17, 18. On a Demon, depending on the elevation and stuff, you're talking like 21 to 24 PSI, depending on the elevation. So there'll be some really cool Demons to see coming up, but I'm gonna upload the picture again here for the Crash Demon. So RIP to the Demon, and I feel bad for the owner. I know that sucks, but comment below if you guys know who it is. I'd really like to know the number and who it is. Not to like bash him or anything, but it'd be just interesting to see. So I guess we're down to 2,999 Demons in the US and 3,299 overall once they're all built. And let me know what you guys think of this charger. Is it mine? To be determined. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed just that little update. Sorry about the Demon being crashed. It sucks. I feel bad for him, but that's inevitable. Stuff happens. You're going to get rock chips, paint chips. You're going to get scratches, door dings if you drive the car, and you could get an accident and get totaled like his. That's just, you know, the world we live in. We have sucky drivers and people don't pay attention. So, that's what it is. So hopefully you guys enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39, and we'll see you guys on the next one.